Learning disability as such is not a single disability, but it is a group of disabilities, a group of underachieving characters in a child. A child with learning disability is not a child who is having emotional disturbances or is mentally challenged, but he is a child who is not able to be up to the mark as other children. So he has problems in listening, speaking, reading, writing, reasoning, mathematical abilities he shows difficulty. And such children, it is because there is some dysfunction in the brain. And why it has happened and how it has happened means there are different causes for it. One is hereditary. Some hereditary gene is there. Otherwise, it can be teratogenic. For example, the mother consumes alcohol or too much of coffee, tea. Then it can be due to environmental conditions like poverty, inability to get good nutritious food. But whatever it is, when a child is born with learning disability, we have to bring the child into the mainstream.
What are the characters of children with learning disabilities? How do they behave?
Children with learning disabilities usually have a fear of the unknown, fear of not able to express themselves, fear of not being able to participate in a discussion, fear of being discriminated, means making them stand out separately. So these children you can make out either they are hyperactive or they are hypoactive. They will be shy or they will speak any nonsense. So by looking at the behavioral characters, then you can see how they behave in the social atmosphere also. Either they try to attract attention or they get into a shell. So by looking at these characters also you can decide which is a learning disability child. And especially it is identified in classes 1, 2 and 3, in which the teacher can identify, there are a list of characters of children with learning disabilities. They are behavioral, social and academic. And if the child has 3 out of 5, he is showing positive, then the teacher should refer the child to a psychologist and get him tested and evaluated for the learning disability.
How should teachers manage students with learning disability?
See, everything, once the child comes to the school, then more than the parent, the teacher is able to identify the students. So there are 3 categories of learning disability children. You can demark them. One is visual learners. What they see, they learn fast. Another group is audio learners. What they hear, they learn fast. And the third category is the kinesthetic movement type, that is through touch and movement. So the teacher should categorize the child whether he is a visual learner or an audio learner or a kinesthetic. Accordingly, he should plan out programs for the child. And the first step would be to identify the child with learning disability, then identify into which category he will fall, identify his strengths, build up his strengths. Suppose he is a visual learner, then he needs to see to learn. So give him projects like drawing, writing and tools that can be observed, books, videos, computers, etc. If he is a child who likes through body touch and movement, then skits, note making, art, then the teacher has to strengthen those skills. As the child develops confidence, his low self-esteem is raised, he will start doing better. Yet if he is not able to do it, again the teacher has to refer to a psychologist or a special educator.
For parents to handle the students with learning disabilities?
The most important thing for parents is they should accept the fact that the child has a learning disability. Next is they should allow the child to make mistakes and learn from the mistakes. Third, they should never compare the child with another child. So by building up the self-esteem and allowing the child to do, he may be better and his skills also may be strengthened. So that is one suggestion I would like to give to parents, is accept them as they are.
Thank you.